If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You use a query to answer a question that you have about the information stored in the database tables. You can then further analyze the results the queries pull to produce even more information than the query itself displays. Reports are often based on query results upon which they can then perform additional mathematical and statistical calculations. Queries are also an excellent way to show information from related tables in a single result set, as the results you pull from queries aren't limited to a single table. The power and flexibility of query design is the main reason you use database programs. They can quickly access, calculate, and summarize the records pulled from the various tables. Access provides you with a simple query wizard you can use to initially create queries. However, do not rely too heavily on this tool, as at some point you will need to create a query that is more complex than this tool allows. You must create advanced queries in Query Design View versus using the wizard. However, to create a simple query using the Simple Query Wizard in Access, click the Query Wizard button that appears in the Queries button group on the Create tab of the ribbon. In the new query dialog box that appears, you can see the ways you can create queries. Select the Simple Query Wizard choice, and then click the OK button to begin. In the first screen of the wizard, select the first table from which to access data by using the Tables and Queries drop-down. After selecting a table, its fields then appear in the Available Fields list. To add a field from the table to the query, select its name in the Available Fields list, and then click the single right-pointing arrow button to move it into the Selected Fields list. Repeat this process as needed, selecting the fields to show in the query. When finished, click the Next button to continue. If you only selected fields from a single table in the first screen, then when you click the Next button to continue, you only need to type the query's name and then click the Finish button to finish creating it. If, however, you picked data fields from two or more related tables, then when you click the Next button to continue, you instead see a second screen which asks if you want a detail or summary query. You can select the option button for the type of query to create. If you select Summary, then you can click the Summary Options button to open the Summary Options dialog box. In this dialog box, you can select which type of summary to perform over a selected field. Make your selections and then click the OK button in the Summary Options dialog box to return to the Simple Query Wizard. Then click the Next button to continue. If you selected Detail on the previous screen, you only need to name your query and then click Finish to create it. If you selected Summary and your summary includes dates, you may be presented with additional date grouping options. Continue to answer any questions as appropriate for your query and click the Next button to continue until you reach the final screen. On the final screen, type a name for your query and then click the Finish button to create the query. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.